Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be exploring the top 7 motorcycles for senior riders in 2024. Number 7. Honda Rebel 500. Still youthful at heart, but perhaps not inclined towards the acrobatic maneuvers demanded by certain motorcycles? The 2024 Honda Rebel 500 might be your ideal cruising companion. This midsize machine sheds the bulk without compromising on enjoyment. Its low 27 inches seat makes getting on and off a breeze, so you can mount with confidence. The aesthetic is quintessential classic cruiser, featuring a stripped-down bobber style with a substantial front tire and that distinctive shotgun exhaust. Don't be misled by the retro vibes, though. The Rebel packs a contemporary punch with a fuel-injected 471cc engine. It's not a ferocious powerhouse, but it delivers smooth, effortless power that's ideal for relaxed rides. Additionally, the comfortable riding position ensures your arms are extended and your back remains content for miles on end. The Rebel 500 won't empty your wallet either, beginning at just under $6,499. It offers an economical means to rediscover the wind in your hair sensation without the commitment of a heavyweight motorcycle. So bid farewell to the rocking chair and embrace the open road. The Rebel 500 is primed to cruise whenever you are. Number 6. Indian Roadmaster. The 2024 Indian Roadmaster epitomizes a touring throne crafted for comfort and elegance during extended journeys. Imagine cruising down the highway with the wind in your hair, or what's left of it surrounded by luxurious amenities. The Roadmaster showcases a head-turning design featuring a sleek, contemporary fairing and a commanding presence. Its chrome accents and timeless Indian silhouette ensure it stands out at any biker gathering. Now, let's dive into the specifics. Powered by a robust Thunderstroke 1.16V twin engine, the Roadmaster delivers ample power to conquer both highways and byways. Rest assured, though, this isn't a juggernaut you can't handle. The seat height is manageable for most riders, and carefully crafted ergonomics guarantee comfort even after miles on the saddle. Naturally, luxury comes at a price. The Roadmaster is a premium machine with a corresponding price tag, typically starting at over $33,000. However, for experienced riders who prioritize opulence and performance during long voyages, the Roadmaster could very well be the ideal two-wheeled companion for forging new memories on the open road. Number 5. Suzuki SV650. The 2024 Suzuki SV650 may not resemble a rocking chair, but it epitomizes a refined motorcycle for riders who appreciate expertise over excitement. Its timeless, naked-style design swaps out the bulky fairings for a featherweight feel that translates to simpler maneuverability. Powering this mid-range machine is a 645cc V-twin engine. Though it won't outpace younger riders, it delivers a seamless, foreseeable journey that won't threaten to unsettle your dental work. And as for comfort, the SV650 flaunts a seat height of 31 inches, making those on and off movements effortless. Additionally, its manageable weight of 437 pounds ensures you won't struggle like you're grappling with a bull when navigating tight spaces. Now, let's talk about the price tag. This Suzuki hits the market with a wallet-friendly starting price of approximately $7,949. So, if you're a seasoned rider seeking a motorcycle that prioritizes comfort, affordability, and a dash of timeless style, the 2024 Suzuki SV650 might just be the ideal choice for you. Number 4. Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. The 2024 Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 may not fit the mold of a classic cruiser, but it's a thrilling and adventurous companion for experienced riders who hunger for exploration. It trades chrome for a rugged yet attractive design that hints at its off-road capabilities. But don't let its aesthetics deceive you. This machine is engineered to tackle dirt paths effortlessly. The major update for 2024 is the new 452cc engine, which delivers more power than its predecessors while maintaining a smooth power delivery that won't jolt you. Additionally, you have the choice of 2 riding modes: performance for spirited moments and eco for leisurely cruises and enjoying the scenery. Now, onto comfort, a crucial consideration for seasoned riders. The Himalayan features a seat height that enables most riders to firmly plant their feet on the ground, instilling confidence at any age. while the price tag hovers around $6,000. It's important to weigh whether you prioritize comfort or conquering rugged terrain. After all, mature riders deserve a taste of adventure, as long as it's coupled with practicality. So, if you seek a motorcycle that reignites your sense of exploration without compromising on comfort, the Himalayan 450 might just be your ideal adventure companion. Number 3. Yamaha Tracer 900 GT. Still yearning for adventure, but finding those long, low-slung motorcycles less knee-friendly? Then Yamaha's 2024 Tracer 900 GT could be your ideal companion. This sport touring motorcycle offers a relaxed, upright riding position that's gentler on the body compared to aggressive sport bikes. With an adjustable windscreen and wind deflectors, it keeps the wind at bay during extended rides, allowing you to appreciate the scenery without feeling like you're grappling with a kite. The 890cc engine is a lively 3-cylinder, delivering exhilarating bursts of power when desired while remaining smooth and manageable for leisurely cruising. With a comfortable seat height of 32 inches, getting on and off is effortless, and the ergonomic design ensures you can endure hours in the saddle without feeling battered. Yet this isn't a bare-bones motorcycle. The 2024 Tracer 900 GT comes fully loaded with technology, including a sophisticated new radar system that enhances safety by maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle ahead during lengthy highway stretches. Admittedly, all this innovation comes at a price, around $16,500. However, for a motorcycle that redefines comfort and adventure for seasoned riders, it just might be a worthwhile investment. Number 2. BMW K1600B. The 2024 BMW K1600B may not fit the mold of your typical cruising partner, but it certainly excels in delivering a luxurious ride for those who appreciate sophistication. This touring bike showcases a sleek, elongated design that commands attention on the open road. However, don't let its size deceive you, as beneath its stylish exterior lies a robust engine ready to carry you to your destination in utmost comfort. Let's delve into the specifics. The K1600B is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine renowned for its seamless power delivery. Whether tackling inclines or overtaking slower vehicles, you won't find yourself gripping the handlebars with white knuckles. Additionally, the seat height is thoughtfully designed to accommodate riders of all statures, ensuring effortless pit stops along your journey. The only potential roadblock you might encounter is the price tag. With a luxury starting price around $29,000, this BMW demands a significant investment. Therefore, if you seek a touring companion that seamlessly combines comfort, power, and undeniable style, the 2024 BMW K1600B might just be the perfect match for you on 2 wheels. Number 1. Harley-Davidson Street Glide. The 2024 Harley-Davidson Street Glide could very well become your next trusted traveling companion. This iconic touring machine seamlessly blends classic Harley style with thoughtful features designed to enhance longer rides. One of its standout features is the sleek, newly redesigned Batwing fairing, adept at slicing through the wind to reduce buffeting and ensure your comfort during highway cruising. Powered by the Milwaukee 8117 engine, this bike offers ample power for effortlessly conquering hills and scenic routes. Despite its rumbling presence, the Street Glide delivers a remarkably smooth ride, courtesy of its advanced suspension and chassis. The infotainment system, complete with a touchscreen, allows you to navigate, enjoy your favorite tunes, and seamlessly connect your phone. Cruise control simplifies maintaining highway speeds, while the Reflex defensive rider system prioritizes your safety on the road. Starting at around $26,000, the 2024 Street Glide offers a customizable experience, allowing you to tailor it to your preferences and needs. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or indulging in weekend getaways, the Street Glide stands as a formidable and comfortable option for exploration during your golden years.